Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to rack up crazy rewards on Temu? Let's talk about how to get insane referrals and maximize your earnings. First of all, open the Temu app and tap on the Earn Credits or Invite Friends section. You will find your unique referral link here. Share your referral link like crazy. Post it on your social media, send it in group chats, text it to your friends, anywhere people will see it. Make your referral irresistible. Add a personal touch by explaining how Temu works and the rewards they will get just for signing up through your link. Use fun memes or quick videos to grab attention. And don't forget to highlight any limited time bonuses Temu might be offering. They love to spice things up. That's it. The more you share, the more you earn. So get out there and start spreading the word. And that's it. Thanks for watching.